Good day everyone. Today we will discuss about mail management in civil service, chapter 16, appendices. In appendix A, it's all about sources of information, mail management people and services. In appendix B, it's all about conversion of temperature measurement. So, here is the formula of getting the conversion of temperature measurement. In centigrade equals 59 degree Fahrenheit minus 32 or degree Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5 divided into 9. In Fahrenheit formulas equals 95 times degree Celsius plus 32 or 1.8 times degree Celsius plus 32 or degree Celsius times 9 plus 32 divided into 9. In appendix C, is all about equivalent weights and measures. So, this is the sign of measures. BRL equals barrel. BU equals bushel, CC equals cubic centimeter, C equals cup, D equals dash, dose equals dozen, DP equals drop, gal equals gallon, G equals gill, GN equals grain, G equals gram, GR equals gross, in equals inch, kg equals kilogram, L equals liter, LB equals pound, mg equals milligram, oz equals ounce, pk equals peak, pt equals pint, qt equals quart, sq equals square, mcg equals microgram, t equals teaspoon, big piece equals tablespoon. So here is the equivalent to get the right measurements. And appendix B is all about substitution for common ingredients. So, the ingredients stated in recipe is 1 cup flour. So, its substitute is 1/2 tablespoon cornstarch or potato starch or rice starch. In 1 tablespoon cornstarch, its substitute is 2 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. In 1 cup cake flour, its substitution is 7/8 all-purpose flour sifted or 2 cups sifted flour minus 2 tablespoons. In 1 cup all-purpose flour is the substitution is 1 cup plus 2 cake flour sifted. In 1 cup sugar granulated, its substitution is 1 1/2 cup powdered sugar, 1 1/2 brown sugar lightly packed. In 1 cup honey, its substitution is 1 1/4 sugar plus 1 1/2 cup liquid. In appendix C is all about scoop ladders in equivalent serving. It's all about modifying a standard recipe. A, divide new by original yield. For example, recipe yield is 200 portion and the desired yield is 280 portion. So, 200 which is new yield factor divided into 200 which is the original yield equals 1.40, that is the adjustment. How to revise recipe? First is multiply adjustment factor by amount of ingredients in original recipe to determine revised quantity. For example, the original recipe required 5 ounces of cornstarch and the adjustment factor is 1.4. So cornstarch 5 ounce, which is the original recipe, times 1.4, that is the adjustment factor. So the result is 7 ounce. 7 ounce means what? This is the quantity of revised recipe. Appendix F talk about canned food size and meat contents. So here is the can size. Number 10. Its average net weight of fluid per can is 96 ounce to 117 ounce. Its average volume per can cap is 12 to 13 or 10 to 3rd. And its principal product is institutional size of fruits, vegetables, some other foods. Can size number 3 cell. Its average is 51 ounce and its average volume per can is 5 3/4. And its principal product is condensed soup, some vegetable meat and poultry products, fruits and vegetable juices. Can size number 3 cell. Its average net weight of fluid per can is 26 ounce to 30 ounce. Its average volume per cup is 3 1/2. Its principal product is family size of fruits and family size of some vegetable. Can size 2 1/2. The average net weight of fluid per can is 24 ounce. Average volume per cup is 3. Principal product is juices or soups. Can size number 2 cell. Its average net weight is 20 ounce or 18 ounce. The average volume per can is 2 1/2. Its principal product is juices, ready-to-serve soup, and some fruit. Can size number 303. Its average net weight of fluid per can is 16 ounce to 17 ounce. The average volume per can cup is 2. Its principal product is small cans of fruit and vegetable and some meat and poultry product. Can size number 300. Its average net weight of fluid per can is 14 ounce to 16 ounce. The average volume per cup is 1 3/4. And principal product is some fruit and meat product. The can size number 2, vacuum. Its average net weight of fluid per can is 12 ounce. Its average volume per can cup is 1 1/2. The principal product is principally vacuum packed corn. Can size number 2, number 1, picnic. The average net weight of fluid per can is 10 1/2 ounce to 12 ounce. The average volume per can cup is 1 1/4. Its principal product is condensed soup, some fruits, vegetable, meats, and fish. Last is the can size, 8 ounce. Average net weight of fluid per can is the same, 8 ounce. The average volume per can cup is 1, and its principal product is ready-to-serve soup, fruits, and vegetables. In Appendix G, it talks about useful tables for baking needs. It talks about baking sizes and oven temperature equivalents. In US Americans, there are 2 types of sizes and round baking pan, which is 8 times and 1 1/2 inch and 9 times 1 1/2 inch. And baking pan, there are 3 types of sizes, which is 11 times 7 times 1 1/2 inch and 13 times 9 times 2 inch and 15 times 10 times 1 inch. And rectangular baking dish sizes is 2 quart. And pie plate is 9 inch. The springform pan sizes is 7 or 8 inch. And loop pan sizes is 9 times 5 times 3 inch. In quart casserole sizes is 1 and 1/2 and 2. In metric sizes, there are 2 type sizes of cake tin, 2 times 4 cm and 23 times 4 cm. And baking tin, there are 4 sizes: 20 times 18 times 4 cm, 32 times 23 times 5 cm, 28 times 18 times 4 cm, and 38 times 25 times 2.5 cm. That is the Swiss roll tin. And pie plate sizes is 22